Hello everyone, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amal. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning viewer too, you're welcome. So on today's video, we're going to create this look together. Yes, this beautiful and simple look together. So let's get glam together. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's get into the video. So a very quick one. You'll notice that I'll be looking at this side when doing the makeup. I'm actually looking at a mirror because I'm using the back camera of my phone to record. So I'm not actually looking at the front of the camera. So I'll be looking at the mirror to use it as my guide. It's the moisturizer I use. Well, don't judge me. Well, after recording, I noticed that I have a lot of background voices, so I said let me just use voiceover. After prepping my skin with a moisturizer, I apply my foundation and blend it evenly under my eye. I use a damp beauty blender to blend everything. Make sure that it's into my skin. In order to make it look natural and simple, so you keep tapping, tap, tap, tap. This is how it should look after blending. Then I set my under eye with some setting powder to brighten and reduce creasing. For my brows, I brush them with a little of hair wax to put them into place and make them look neat. So you can do it the way you want. I want my eyebrows to be up, like lifted up and then curved with a brush. After that, then I gently brush up the excess setting powder. I then go in with my compact powder to finish the look and apply it in the places that I didn't apply the setting powder at first. After that, I now apply my mascara. Now I go in with my eyeliner to define my eyes. Next, I then line my lip with a lip liner. Then I apply a lip gloss for a soft finish. Then I apply a little bit of glitter to my eye corners to make my eyes pop. And I also apply a little under my lower lash line. Then I apply my blush to give it a soft finish look. I then use that same glitter I use for my eye corners to apply on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. Ta-da! That's the finished look. This is simple routine that's perfect for beginners. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more makeup tutorials. See you in my next video.